Understanding unique keys for array children in React.js. I'm building a React component that accepts a JSON data source and creates a sortable table. Each of the dynamic data rows has a unique key assigned to it, but I'm still getting an error of each child in an array should have a unique key prop. Check the render method of table component. My table component render method returns the table header component is a single row and also has a unique key assigned to it. Each row in rows is built from a component with a unique key. And the table row item looks like this. What is causing the unique key prop error? You should add a key to each child as well as each element inside children. This way React can handle the minimal DOM change. In your code, each table row item key equals item id, data equals item, columns equals column names, comma is trying to render some children inside them without a key. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.